Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, welcome to another video. Today I will show you a smart bulb. Um, this is the smart bulb. Actually, I brought this one to have to control it using my mobile phone. So when I brought it and I wanted to search for the connection, how do I establish it through my iPhone? I couldn't find any reliable and good videos or any good information. That's why I came. I had a thought on my mind that why not to make a video, because other people will do the same. They will buy the smart bulb and it will be hard for them to connect it with their iOS devices. Actually, there are so many available videos on YouTube related to Android, and you can see Google Alexa, but not with iPhone. Let's go now. Let's have a look into the bulb. I'm going to unbox this one. This is very nicely packed. You can see user manual, and this is the smart bulb. Actually, I have used MI products before, and to be honest, they have a pretty good quality product in the market. Now I'll put it into the socket, and I'll show you how to control it with your iPhone. So you have to download an apps, and the instruction you will get here in the user manual, and also there will be a barcode. You just click on the barcode, it will redirect you to the Apple Store and directly to these apps. So this is the app. Actually, I have downloaded it before, so I'm just gonna open it. I have connected this one. Give me a moment, I will show you how you can control it with your iPhone. Now I'm going to turn this bulb on again to show you how fast it changes, or the response time, how fast the response time is. I will show you. Just give me a moment. You see, now it is green. I think you can see when you just put your finger like this, the color response is very fast. It's like a second. You see, now it is red, and the color combination is very nice. I've used other devices, smart bulb, but this color is really nice. I'll show you the software function now. Just I want you to see the color combinations. Now it is blue, now it is changing again. You just put your finger like this, and also you can change the brightness. You see, it's like 8.5 watt, so this is the maximum brightness. No, you can go a little more. Yes, now this is the maximum brightness. You can dim it. As I have shown you the color changes. So the thing is, you cannot change the color by using Siri voice command, or the another part is you cannot actually find the smart bulb in your home kit accessories. There is another, you can see here in the packet, it is written that Google Alexa, and I think you can see. Okay, So those are the voice commands you can use if you have this operating system, cell phone or other devices, but you cannot because it is not Apple is not written here, and also the smart bulb won't respond to Siri. So this is a problem I actually faced, and the Apple HomeKit supported device is very expensive. I brought it BDT like 1000, and if I convert it in dollar, it's like less than $10. But if I want to buy Apple HomeKit supported smart bulb, it will cost me over $20. So sorry, around $30, and BDT is like around 3000 BDT. So this one is expensive. So actually I have I brought this one for testing. So the first this one is not working, so I'm not gonna buy which is not Apple HomeKit supported smart bulb. So guys, if you are planning to buy this one, so you guys must keep it on your mind that you must buy the one Apple HomeKit supported written on the box. Otherwise don't go for it. If you have a plan not to control your smart bulb by using Siri, you can buy it. And I'll show you how to change the color and other functions. You can see there is another option which the flow. This flow means the color variation will go like this, and you can control the speed. So this is very nice. You just keep the bulb open, and once you hit this flow option, the bulb will continuously keep changing its color, and you can change the color flow settings from here as well. If you want to change the color variation, you just select this one, that's it, and the color will vary on your shown way. You just press OK so that the changes will be saved. You see the color changes. This option is I like it because color changing is it looks very nice from outside, the way the color is changing. And also here is the white. If you want to make the bulb if you want to use the color one single color, you can change it from here. See, and also the brightness, you can control it horizontally and also vertical. This is horizontal and this one is vertically. You can change the brightness of the color, and here is another button for that, on off. If you turn it off, the bulb will go off, you can see. And here is the best part. You can schedule this one on your desired way. This sunrise time, sunset, movie, birthday. There are so many default options are given here. Date, night, you see. And also you see, this is another option. You can go, if you hit the favorite button, you'll find these options as well. Okay, now I want to show you the automation part. You see, this is the automation part. You can customize. Say you want to turn this bulb on a certain time in a day, you can put it. You just add this one, timer, repeat time. You can see you can have a repeat time, start time. Just play on that, and I think you can easily find out the options and automations. I think this is very nice if you don't want to think about turning off your light and turning on it again, and if you want to keep your devices automatically response on your busy schedule, you can do that. So guys, I wish you a very good time. This video is, I'm gonna end this videos right here today, and inshallah I will come back with another video later on. I wish you to have a very nice day.